So we have someone here with hair that ends around the floor. This is absolutely crazy. So the stylist big chops the hair. Wow. All of that long hair gone. Absolutely stunning transformation. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have this stylist asking the client, how short do you want to go? Now, so far it doesn't look like she's going too short here. Just a little bit of the ends cut off. A little bit of shaping going on. Beautiful blowout. Gorgeous shoulder length bob style. Very nicely done. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you will of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a pixie makeover. Looks like he's doing a nice longer pixie variation for this cut. Gorgeous overall shape and texture, beautiful. And this is a really nice length. So next up, we have someone getting some hair extensions. I think her bright blonde hair color is so beautiful. And the stylist creates a nice wavy texture with the curling iron. Very nice. I absolutely love it. And I love her outfit as well. So then we have someone getting a wolf cut. Now she already has some split dye hair here. I really like the stylist hair too. Oh, very nice. So it looks like they did end up keeping that pop of orange that they had mixed in. And then we have another wolf cut transformation. So as you guys know, if you follow this channel, this is a very popular hair trend made famous from TikTok. And it just seems like it's growing more and more in popularity. Oh, very nice. I love her hair color. She's got the darker bangs mixed in with the blonde. Very pretty. And then we have one more hair transformation for today. Gorgeous pixie, wow. This one does feature a nice spiky texture to it. Frames her face perfectly, absolutely stunning transformation. Alright you guys, so I hope that you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.